So we already have the most advanced high-end ventilators on the market. But where do we go from here? Let's see. We need a light, slimline trolley that is easy to handle. Then we definitely need a large display with a high-resolution capacitive screen. And it should be multi-touch too. With a high-performance turbine, we could provide a higher maximum flow and make the ventilator more suitable for transport. And if we are using it for transport, we will need a long enough battery life as well. Of course, we will include all the great features that we already have, like our intelligent ventilation modes, ASV and INTELLIVENT-ASV, Transpulmonary pressure measurement, PV Tool Pro for lung assessment and recruitment, our IntelliCuff cuff pressure controller, the remote control for the Hamilton H900, high-flow oxygen therapy, and volumetric capnography. And don't forget our groundbreaking new technology IntelliSync Plus that keeps an electronic eye on patient-ventilator synchrony. Here it is, the next generation of intelligent ICU ventilators from Hamilton Medical. Meet the new HAMILTON-C6, our most exciting ventilator yet.